Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video of decoration ideas, viewers, nature green door hop decorate. Give your door a fresh and natural look. Add green with a touch of flowers and a simple ribbon. A door hop like this make house feel warm. Friends, a door hop like this make every guest feel welcome. Make your home festive with a bright door hop. Use colorful flowers, fairy lights, and a big bow. Perfect for parties, weddings, or celebrations. Create a rustic charm with a jet of dried flowers and a little wooden simple, stylish, and budget friendly. Seasonal door hop decoration. Change your door hop for every season. Friends, spring with Easter flowers, summer with bright sunflower, autumn with orange leaves, and winter with pink gowns. Minimal, elegant door hop decor, sometimes less in more. Use white flowers, golden hop, and a tiny bow for a soft, elegant look. Perfect for modern home. The personal door touch. Sometimes make it your own. Friends, and family. Handmade flowers or small ornaments. A door hop with personal touch make your house feel warm and special. So, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.